why do we say bless you when someone sneezes? It's not because your sneeze was so impressive it needed divine approval. This habit goes way back to ancient times. People used to think sneezing meant your soul was trying to escape your body. Saying bless you was basically like, hey soul, stay put. Then in the Middle Ages, during the plague, sneezing was seen as a very bad sign. Pope Gregory even ordered people to say, God bless you to anyone who sneezed, like a mini prayer against death by germs. Over time it stuck, even though today sneezes just mean dust, allergies, or you inhaled pepper like an idiot. So next time someone sneezes, you're not just being polite, you're carrying on an ancient mix of superstition, plague prevention, and awkward small talk. Bless you.